In this video, you will see the most effective words in essays with example sentences. Introduction. Adding ideas. Cause and effect. Contrast or opposing views. Giving examples. Academic verbs. And conclusion. The first part is introduction. Use these words in the essays you wrote to introduce the topic and outline the general framework. Nowadays. In recent years. There is no doubt that. This essay will discuss. The aim of this essay is to. For example, in recent years, the issue of climate change has become increasingly important. The second part is adding ideas. Use these words in the essays you write while supporting the same view. Moreover, furthermore, not only but also. In addition, additionally. For example, moreover, this problem affects not only individuals but also society as a whole. The third part is cause and effect. Use these words in the essays you write when explaining causes and effects. Because of. Due to. As a result. Therefore. Thus. Consequently. For example, as a result, many people are forced to change their lifestyle. The fourth part is contrast opposite views. Use these words in the essays you write when presenting a different viewpoint. However, on the other hand, nevertheless, although, whereas, despite. For example, however, some people argue that this solution is not effective. The fifth part is giving examples. Use these words in the essays you write to provide a concrete example. For example, for instance, such as, to illustrate. For example, for instance, many students struggle with time management. The sixth part is academic verbs. Use these words in the essays you write, as these verbs are highly valuable verbs in essays. Analyze, discuss, examine, evaluate, demonstrate, suggest. For example, this essay will examine the advantages and disadvantages of online education. The seventh part is the last part, conclusion. Use these words in the essays you write to conclude the essay effectively. In conclusion. To sum up. Overall. In summary. It can be concluded that. For example, in conclusion, technology has both positive and negative effects on society. I want to warn you about a subject. Avoid using these words. I think, I believe, and a lot of. That's it. If you use these tips I've given you, I'm sure your essays will be much more effective.